The Challenger is one big bruiser, with heft better suited to cruising or drag racing at the strip than turning laps on a racetrack. Powertrains include the standard 305 HP 3.6-liter V6 and an 8-speed automatic. One 5.7-liter Hemi V8 makes 375 HP with the standard 6-speed manual, and one, with fuel-saving tech, makes 372 HP with the optional 8-speed auto. The Scat Pack option features a 485 HP 6.4-liter Hemi V8, a 6-speed manual is standard and an 8-speed auto is optional. Dodge Challenger generations explained major redesigns occur every 5 years or so, not much changes in between. Dividing them into generations provides more meaningful distinctions in the shopping process. The Challenger quickens the heart rate and stirs up nostalgia. Its old-school roots are obvious, witness the retro design and simplistic interior. Available with a class-exclusive, all-wheel drive powertrain for the base V6 engine, Dodge's Pony car also can be fitted in rear-wheel drive form with a 375 HP or mighty 485 HP Hemi V8. Both engines have a standard 6-speed manual transmission, a proficient 8-speed automatic is optional. The Challenger's cushy ride and comfy cabin make it a compelling cruiser, but the Chevrolet Camaro and the Ford Mustang have elevated performance expectations. The Challenger has a classic muscle car interior, with a simple design inspired by its 1970s-era predecessors and comfortable accommodations. Compared with the Chevy Camaro and the Ford Mustang, the Dodge is far roomier inside. Unfortunately, its rubberized materials resemble old vinyl rather than premium plastic, and its rear visibility is lousy.